So finally, I tried promoting ClickBank product with Facebook pages and group. One of the so-called famous method of YouTubers and affiliate marketers who is teaching you in their videos, right, how to promote ClickBank product with Facebook page and group. And I did that same exact thing, right, and I created a case study where you're going to see, right, how I made $108.22. But the question is it really affiliate marketing? Is it worth, or is it a right way to start with affiliate marketing? Is it a beginner friendly? Is only getting the result is everything in affiliate marketing, or the process is really important? I'm going to cover all those things while going to show you this case study step by step. So if you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday, and watch this video till the end. Smash the like button if you're going to like it, and share your views about this strategy and the method in the comment. So first thing first, let me open my ClickBank account over here. So here you can see this, right? I made, right, 2 sales in August 30, $54.11, and August 28th, right, $54.11. I'm going to show you which product I have promoted. Majority of my free traffic is YouTube or like Instagram. Okay, so this is the 2 sales I got, right? $108.22. So let me now show you, right, going to the marketplace, which product is this. So this is a new product called Tao of Rich in manifestation niche. You can select from here, right, Tao of Rich. So this is the product called Tao of Rich, and here you can see I got 381 hops, and initial sale is $108.22. So while selecting on that time, the average sale was $54.11. Okay, so recently I think they decreased the value. I already have a screenshot. Let me show you here. So this is like $54.11. Okay, on the time the initial sale was that. So you should not get confused about this. And then, guys, this is the product, and let me show you the affiliate page, by the way. So this is their affiliate page, and this have a lot of support material to promote any beginners. Okay, that is why I'm showing you. So you can download the banners, Facebook, GIFs, statistic, cartoons, and so many emails also. Let me show you here. Here you can see this is their folder where they have given a lot of images, right, which you can use easily in Facebook ad and so many, right, in your website and all. So they also have these proven tested emails, okay, which I use to create the copy that I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, so this is amazing, well-written email. So, okay, with story. I tried different other product from manifestation also, guys, with this free traffic source, but I have not got any sales from that. Okay, only hops, right? That's a downside of free traffic. You're going to get a lot of hops, okay, like 381 hops and all. Okay, then later I was looking some good products. So I came to CB engine here, CB new products. If you click here, you can see all the new product which is arrived in ClickBank. Here you can see Tao of Rich. Okay, this product is very, very new. If you click on this, and here you can see this, guys, this product is added on 24th of August 2020. Okay, and this was the product. So I thought it's a very new offer, let me try it out. Okay, so that's how, right, I selected this product from here, and I started, right, promoting this. To promote this offer, guys, I get into their email, and I use their one of the email which was very good. I think this one only, okay, the first one. Okay, because I want to write a copy in Facebook group where I want to post this. Okay, all this copy, I use this thing, and then I put this inside this notepad, right? All your law of attraction manifestation method failed miserably because this one ignored step. Okay, this was the hook, and then I took all this, right, the email body, and then I put all this thing here, and the bottom I wrote the best part. You can have the report as a gift from me. It's free to download. Now click here. Okay, also sharing a free video to watch which reveal a confidence letter. So I was promoting the video sales letter of the product. Okay, the same method which I used in Instagram. I already have a video on that. So for that, guys, I created a landing page. Okay, so this is the landing page I created. A free video reveal a confidence letter. So this is this video sales letter. If they click there, they will go here, and they can also download their free gift. Okay, already covered this all things in my, right, Instagram method video. So I just created here, and then, guys, what I did was I went into, right, Facebook, okay, looking for different groups and pages. So you have to type here, right, law of attraction or manifestation, whatever it is, and then you have to select the group here. Select the group. So these are the few groups you can see here. So now my recommendation is, whenever you join any group, make sure you're looking engagement of the group, okay, not the members of the group. Okay, even if you have 1000 members in a group, if they are engaging, right, in the post, that means that group is really good if you want to do this strategy. Let me show you. This is a closed group. Okay, let me open this in another tab, and you can see which is a private group. This is a private group. Okay, I'm already a member, and this is a public group. Okay, so you can open this here in the public group, and here you can see. So this page have, right, 5,000 members, and if you can see, this is amazing page. Okay, a lot of good engagement. That means if you post your link, if they allow, okay, generally private groups are very good, but they will not going to allow you to post, right, the affiliate links. Okay, right, you really want to do this strategy, then become a good active member of this group and drive the traffic from this group to your page or to your group. That is the best way. But generally what YouTubers are teaching you, right, to post here the affiliate link or those things. Okay, even if you do that, right, make sure that you are providing values to the group. Okay, so this is good engaging group. Whereas if you can see, this group have 68,000 members, but you have to see whether there is an engagement. Yes, this group also have the engagement. This is a public group, anybody can post it and you can get some engagement also. And right here you can see this is another group, but the problem is, right, look at the post. Okay, members are there, but there is no engagement, so you're not going to get any clicks and ops. So finally you have to leave those kinds of group, and you have to find those groups which are public, which is open to post to other people also. And then guys, you can become a good active member and you can start posting. So what you can do here in this kinds of group is, right, I'm already a member here, and so I can post. Okay, I think I have posted in this group also. Okay, but I can't see my post. Okay, this is one of the downside. They will delete posting here. Okay, whatever the product you are promoting, they will delete it. Okay, so even if you, right, you can try some of this, right, public group, because they are getting a lot of good engagement here. Okay, because look at this good engagement. So what you have to do, just simply guys, you can become good active member, and then you can post the post, right, photo, whatever they have given to you. Okay, for example, I will get into this and I will post this image. This is a very good image, right, whenever you're going to post. And then I'm going to use the copy which I already wrote here. Okay, so this is the copy. Okay, I will take all these copies here and I'm going to post it here with my landing page. Okay, because I just want to give because this is a very good story, anybody want to read. So this is what I did. You can give this landing page, right, their affiliate link. Okay, and do not give the direct affiliate link. Make sure you're putting the landing page here, okay, in the bottom. So this way you can promote. This is what I did in the public group, and this is what I did, and this is how I got, right, $108 promoting this. Okay, so this is how most of the YouTube videos are teaching you. But what I did, really, is it worth to do? Just because I got $108, let me show you all the statistic here in this case study. So here you can see when I started, right, on that time it was like 26 hops. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, it was having only 26 hops. Okay, then on the day one, because this product is launched on 24th, from 25th onwards I started posting. So I put 7 posts in different groups, the same group which I was talking about. Okay, and I got 20 hops. Okay, and no sales. Okay, then 26th I post 5 posts, I got 52 hops, not new hops, including this one also. So I think 32 hops extra I got, no sales. Then on 27th, 10 posts, 96 hops, no sales. 28th I got 12 posts I have posted and I got 126 hops, 1 sales. Okay, like this guys. 29th no sales, 30 1 sales. That's how I made 2 sales. 31st I post 9 posts, 233 hops, no sales. 5 posts, 278 hops, no sales. 2nd September, right, 0 posting because I was really busy and right, recording this video. So 304 hops, no sales. So what is happening here guys, I posted 60 posts. Okay, and that also you have to find a group which is going to allow you. Okay, so that's a downside of it. Not every post is going to allow you, group is going to allow you. And I got 304 hops in this, 2 sales. So now the question is this strategy worth it? because I made $108. If you're a beginner, guys, you're really wasting your time doing this just because of this $100. Because one of the downside is, guys, this page will not going to keep your post. This is not your group, so you're not building the relationship with your audience. Okay, you're not providing any values, and it took a lot of time for me to do this thing, guys. Really, the marketers like me, I will never try to invest all this time, right, just without providing and selling. Affiliate marketing is all about providing values and making sales, guys. I'm not providing any values. Okay, I'm just like fishing. If I got the sales, I am happy. Okay, if I'm not getting sales, I can't do anything, right? 60 posts. Instead of that, guys, you can create your own group or page, and then, right, you can provide values like how these people are doing. Okay, you can do this instead of posting games. Okay, right, posting to different groups and pages and all this. Okay. Even I got a result. So Instagram, Pinterest, having a website, and YouTube is the best way to make some sales. Okay, provide values to your customer, right? Creating your own groups and page, that is a better way of making sales or promoting product. Even if you make some sales like this, you will not know, right, when you're going to get another sales. Okay, so that is right, lot of hops but very less sales. So this is what I want to cover in this strategy, guys. I think you got a lot of values from that. Share your thoughts about this. How do you see this strategy and method, right? Okay, and smash that like button, guys, if you really like this case study, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.